Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay. Welcome back to another video. So you guys, in today's video we'll be opening up June's BoxyCharm. So you guys, I'm really excited to open one of these boxes up. I really haven't been doing a BoxyCharm videos for a while now. It's been a couple of months that I haven't done a BoxyCharm unboxing, so I'm really excited to see what we have in today's box. So if you guys want to know what stuff we have in the box and what we did with this stuff, continue on watching. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and go into our BoxyCharm. As you can see, I already did eyebrows and lashes. Excuse me, Jesus, we're really not doing too much to the eye. Well, we're really not doing anything to the eyes today. We're more focused on the face. So let's go ahead and open up this baby. So this is June's BoxyCharm. So let's open it up. We got some good things in here. So BoxyCharm. So BoxyCharm carries about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I literally had to count it, 5 or more. Well, actually just 5 full-size products for just, I forgot, $25, I believe. 25, 21, 25. I don't remember. I don't remember how much. Jesus. Okay, so here we have, ooh, I'm really excited to use this. We're really not going to use this in the video, but we're going to use it. I'm gonna use it one day, and then I will go ahead and give my opinions, thoughts to this product. So the first thing we have here is the Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner Foaming Face Wash. I have watched a couple of reviews on there. I know Jeffree Star really wasn't a big fan of this, but like, everybody has different types of skin, different skin type. If that came out wrong, did it come out right? Everybody has different skin type. Everybody has different type of skin. There we go. Okay, so everybody has different type of skin. So I'm really excited to use this. This retails for $24. Next we have the Laura Geller multitasking cream to powder trio. So hi. Okay, next we have the Cab Cosmetics, the lip duo. I'm really freaking excited for this. Like, I've always been wanting to try the Cab Cosmetics. If you do not know what the Cab Cosmetics is, it's from, what's her name? Jesus, Kim. I forgot her last name, but Kim. She has a show that I love to watch, Don't Be Tardy. Don't Be Tardy is my favorite show. They haven't had any shows at the moment, but that is my favorite show to watch. And then when I heard about her cosmetic brand, I was like, but I never really had the chance to purchase anything from their website. But I'm really happy that BoxyCharm came out, like literally gave us this little baby right here. I'm really excited to use it, and yes, we're gonna use it for today's video. So I am super excited. I really am excited because I've been wanting to try it for a while now. Okay, so next we have the Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. This baby right here, really never used the Tula Skincare, really never used it, but I'm really excited to use it. And last but not least, we have the Smashbox Photo Finish Weightless Setting Spray. So we have a setting spray. So if the freaking original primer is amazing, this should be awesome too. So I am also excited to use it. So first things first, we're just gonna go ahead and, you know, moisturize the face because it needs a good little moisturizing. We're gonna go in with the Cetaphil, whatever you want to call it, moisturizing lotion. God, I'm not pronouncing these words right, and if I'm not, excuse me. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and use the Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling Brightening Eye Balm. So we're just gonna apply this right under our eyes. Yo, what is good? And this is has really no smell to it, but ooh, damn, that feels good. Yes, that feels, when it says cooling, they really meant cooling. Like, cause this shit is like cool as hell. Like, as soon as it goes on there, it's like, phew, hello. I'm just gonna put this under our ojitos. All right, so next we're just gonna go in with some primer. Go in with the Frida Kahlo by Ulta Beauty Perfect Canvas Face Primer. I'm just gonna grab just a little dot of it. You know what? I kind of messed up. I kind of should have used the Smashbox primer, but that's okay. All right. Okay, so, all right, so, dude, that is really cool, and like, I still feel how cool this freaking eye balm is. Like, that is, it's really cool, like, really cool. I still feel it. I still feel the coolness to it. So we're gonna go in with the Huda Beauty foundation, and I'm in the damn shade Butter Pecan, if I have any more. That's sad. I don't think I have any more. And nothing wants to come out. I think we're just gonna have to go in with a different foundation. I actually have Smashbox. I have the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour wear hydrating foundation, so we're just gonna go in with this one. Gosh, we could have literally like made this a freaking full face of Smashbox, but not everything is Smashbox. Whoops. All right. You know what's a bad idea? It's a bad idea to wear a white shirt and you're doing wear makeup. All right, so now I'm just gonna grab a sponge and just gonna set that real quick. Hi. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with some concealer, and we're gonna go in with the Morphe concealer. Shit, I look pale as shit. Oh my goodness. All right, so now we're gonna go in with some freaking setting powder, which is my favorite, the Mercier powder. I really gotta stock up on this stuff because, honey, I know sooner or later I'm gonna be out. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So I really gotta stock up on foundation, on what else, setting powder and some couple of more stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and dust this off. Don't leave it there for too long, because honey, it's not no bueno idea to stay there for too long. Ooh, okay. So I'm gonna grab some bronzer and just color the under eye. I forgot. Okay, so we're gonna go in with the Laura Geller multitasking eye lip cheek palette. So it's the cream to powder trio. Wow, so this is like the, wow. Okay, so we're about to go into some blush. All right, so we're gonna go in with this gold dust right here. Don't look gold, but we're gonna go for it. I love that. That is super cute. Hi. That is gorgeous. Though, like, you really have to like blend that out, like, for real. Really have to blend that out. You don't want it to like, all right, so we're gonna grab some bronzer. Let's see. We're gonna grab some bronzer. Gonna grab some more setting powder, and we're gonna bake right under where we all right, so we're not gonna leave it there too long. I'm gonna dust that off. And we're gonna go ahead and use this as a highlight, this last one right here. So we use this as blush, this is a bronzer, and then we're gonna use Tuscan Coral for a little bit of highlight. Cause honey, who doesn't need a little highlight? Ooh, hi. That's so freaking cute. Ooh, that is way too cute. Oh my god, yes. Okay, so that's that. All right, so last but not least, we're gonna go, my lips look like that, why my skin looks like that, ew. All right, so last but not least, we're gonna go in with the, well, not last but not least, because we still gotta use this baby right here. Lip liner plus lip gloss. So this is a gloss, and this is in the color Charming. So it's like really like a, oops, like a nice little pink color. And here we have the, ooh, hi. Okay, here we go. Ooh. It smells good too. So what I like about the lipstick is that it's like a big ass tube and it has a big ass brush. Okay, so we're gonna go into some setting spray. Hello, we're gonna go in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Okay, so wow, okay, so we are finished for today's video. So overall, I really did love these products. These products were really amazing and I was so excited. Was really excited to use this, and this is amazing. The lipstick, the lip gloss is beautiful. It's very shiny. It's just beautiful. And also this Laura Geller Multitasking Eye Lip Cheek. It's for all three. You can use it for your cheeks, for your lips, for your eyes. And literally this helped me to do bronze, like literally like bronzer and then do cheeks. So this is amazing for, so you don't have to be carrying so many palettes with you if you travel. This is really good shit right here. Lipstick was amazing. This eye balm was freaking bomb. Like I still feel the coolness under my eyes, so that is freaking bomb. And the setting spray, well, I really doesn't know how well it works. I would have to like used to have this makeup on for the night and see how well it does afterwards, and maybe on the next video I would tell you guys how good the product was. But overall, I'm really excited to use this. I'm actually going to use this tonight and I will give you guys a review on the foaming face wash, so I'm really excited about that too. But the Smashbox setting spray and the Kylie Skin foam wash will be reviewed on the next video. I'll tell you guys how it worked out for me. But anyways, I hope you guys love this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Drop some comments down below and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.